If you've searched the best AI tools for digital marketing, you've probably seen the same thing. I have a never-ending list of 50, 75, or even 100 AI tools you're supposed to use every day. But let's be honest, who has time to learn all of them? Half of them overlap, a bunch you'll never touch again, and the rest require a PhD just to figure out the dashboard. So today, I'm cutting through the noise to show you the AI tools that actually move the needle in digital marketing. And why, despite all the options, there's one tool I keep on constant standby, because it saves me hours every single week. Let's get into it. First, don't get sidetracked by the AI tool overload problem. As currently, every marketer and small enterprise is inundated with AI recommendations. YouTube suggests these: Top 10 AI tools for content creation. Best AI tools for social media marketing. AI tools to automate your business. AI tools nobody is talking about. And the comments are full of, which AI tool is best for beginners? What's the best AI tool for copywriting? What's the best AI tool for YouTube scripts? What's the best AI tool for ads? It's obvious people aren't looking for more tools. They're looking for clarity. So, let's simplify and look at digital marketing AI tools that actually matter. 1. AI tools for content creation. These tools help you generate blog posts, social captions, email sequences, ad copy, and YouTube scripts. They're great for ideation, rewriting, and speeding up production, but they still require editing and strategy. 2. AI for video and creative assets. Tools that generate thumbnails, short-form videos, graphics, product images, and animations. These are powerful, but they take time to learn and often require multiple tools to get one asset right. 3. AI for SEO and research. These tools help with keyword research, competitor analysis, content clustering, SERP insights, and optimization. Super useful, but again, you're jumping between dashboards, exporting data, and stitching everything together manually. 4. AI for automation and workflows. These tools connect your apps and automate repetitive tasks. They're amazing, once you've spent hours setting them up. The real issue folk are finding is, too many tools, too much time to learn. The truth that often goes unspoken is that most SME owners and marketers don't need 20 AI tools. They need one tool that does the heavy lifting without the learning curve. Because what slows you down isn't the work, it's switching between platforms, rewriting content, fixing formatting, and trying to make everything sound human. That's why I keep one AI tool on constant standby on my desktop. It's fast, it's simple, and it handles quickly the tasks I do every single day, especially script writing, content structuring, and marketing copy. I use other tools occasionally. But this one, it's open every time I'm creating content. When you have a single AI tool that's always ready, you stop wasting time switching platforms, get consistent output, build a workflow you can repeat, eliminate the overwhelm, produce content faster, and stay focused on strategy instead of software. And that's the real secret behind the best AI tools for digital marketing. It's not about collecting tools, it's about mastering one that multiplies your output. So yes, there are tons of AI tools out there. But the smartest marketers aren't using all of them. They're using the ones that save time, simplify their workflow, and help them create content that actually converts. If you want to see the AI tool I keep on standby, just follow the link below this video, and be prepared to be amazed at what it does. Also, if you found this helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and let's keep leveling up your digital marketing with AI. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI doesn't replace marketers. It replaces the marketers who refuse to use it.